Creating a comfortable home environment in Mandeville often comes down to how well your space handles airflow and humidity. With warm temperatures and frequent moisture in the air, proper ventilation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. One of the most practical and effective ways to improve airflow in your home is by installing slider windows. Known for their simplicity and functionality, slider windows offer a range of benefits that make them ideal for enhancing ventilation in living areas. Slider windows operate by gliding horizontally along a track, making them easy to open and adjust. This design allows homeowners to control how much air enters their space, which is especially helpful in maintaining comfort throughout the day. Whether you want a light breeze or increased airflow, slider windows give you the flexibility to customize your ventilation needs. One of the key ways slider windows improve ventilation is through their wide opening capability. Unlike some window styles that only open partially, slider windows can provide a large opening area, allowing more fresh air to flow into your home. In Mandeville's climate, this helps reduce indoor heat buildup and creates a cooler, more refreshing atmosphere without relying solely on air conditioning. Another important benefit is their ability to support cross-ventilation. When slider windows are placed on opposite sides of a room or home, they allow air to move freely from one side to the other. This continuous airflow helps push out stale indoor air and replace it with fresh outdoor air. In living areas where people gather most often, this can make a significant difference in maintaining a comfortable and healthy environment. Humidity control is also a major advantage. Excess moisture in the air can make your home feel sticky and uncomfortable, while also increasing the risk of mold and mildew. By improving airflow, slider windows help regulate indoor humidity levels. This is particularly beneficial in Mandeville, where moisture can build up quickly, especially in enclosed spaces. Slider windows are also ideal for frequent use, which encourages better ventilation habits. Their smooth gliding design makes them easy to open and close, even for children or older adults. Because they don't require lifting or cranking, homeowners are more likely to use them regularly, allowing fresh air to circulate more often. In addition to ventilation, slider windows contribute to a brighter and more open living space. Their large glass panels allow plenty of natural light to enter your home, which enhances the overall atmosphere. When combined with improved airflow, this creates a living area that feels both fresh and inviting. Placement plays a key role in maximizing the ventilation benefits of slider windows. Installing them in living rooms, family rooms, or areas that face outdoor spaces can help capture natural breezes more effectively. Pairing slider windows with other window types, such as casement or awning windows, can further enhance airflow by creating multiple points for air to enter and exit. Energy efficiency is another benefit tied to improved ventilation. By allowing natural air circulation, slider windows can reduce the need for constant air conditioning during milder days. This not only helps lower energy bills but also reduces wear and tear on your HVAC system. Modern slider windows also feature tight seals when closed, ensuring that your home remains energy efficient when ventilation is not needed. Durability and low maintenance make slider windows a practical long-term solution. With fewer moving parts than some other window styles, they are less prone to mechanical issues. Regular cleaning of the tracks and glass is usually all that's needed to keep them functioning smoothly. Finally, slider windows enhance the overall comfort of your living areas by creating a balanced indoor environment. Improved airflow, reduced humidity, and increased natural light all work together to make your home feel more comfortable year-round. In the end, slider windows offer a simple yet effective way to improve ventilation in Mandeville living areas. Their ease of use, wide openings, and ability to promote airflow make them a valuable addition to any home. If you're looking to create a fresher, more comfortable living space, upgrading to slider windows is a smart and practical choice.